Question 7. Two fair spinners are divided into quarters as shown below. One spinner shows the value 10, 20, 30 and 40, which is that one. The other spinner shows the values 1, 2, 3 and 4. The two spinners are spun and the values shown are added together to form a number. For example, the diagram above would form the number 31. Consider all the possible numbers that can be formed and calculate the probability that the spinners will form a number that is a multiple of 7. You must show all your working to justify your answers. So the best way to calculate all the possible values would be to call this spinner A and this spinner B. For spinner A, I can have the values of 10, 20, 30 and 40. For spinner B, I can have the values of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I add the values, 10 and 1 is 11, 20 and 1 is 21, 30 and 1 is 31, and 40 and 1 is 41. Then if I look to see if I got 20 on the first spinner and 2 on the second spinner, I'd put 22. If I got 10 on the first spinner and 2 on the second, I'd put 12, and so on. So I'm just calculating all the values I can possibly have. And the final column, 10 and 4 is 14, 20 and 4 is 24, 30 and 4 is 34, 40 and 4 is 44. So I have systematically shown all the values that the two spinners can give me. Now I'm going to calculate the probability that the spinners will form a number that is a multiple of 7. So let me do the 7 times table. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and 42. Now which of those numbers appear in my table? Well, I can see that 14 appears in my table. I can also see that 42 appears in my table. I can also see that 21 appears in my table. Now the others don't appear in my table, so only 3 multiples of 7 appear in my table. So the probability is for a multiple of 7 is 3 out of however many values there are. And if I count up the values, I can see I've got 4, 8, 12, 16. So the probability of getting a multiple of 7 is 3 over 16.